I've realized that many times when I speak, I don't express myself clearly. I have the idea in my head, but when I start explaining it, it's like I lose the logic. Like I get lost in the way. In my previous video, I talk about how I speak, but the order of what I said is important as well. I don't know if this happened to you, but when someone asks me something and I start answering, suddenly more ideas come to my mind, then I go in circles, I add things, and at the end, the answer isn't clear, not even for me. So, I've been looking into it, and there is something very simple that's recommended. Say one idea, explain it, and close it. It sounds basic, but I think it can change the way I express myself. For example, next week the weather is going to be nice. I checked the app and it shows sunny days and around 25 degrees. It will finally feel like spring. I'm going to keep applying this and see what happens. Wish me luck!